In a surprising turn of events, the political landscape in Maharashtra is facing another twist. Shiv Sena's Uddhav Thackeray faction has raised concerns and filed a crucial application in the Supreme Court, challenging a meeting that could sway the balance of the Shiv Sena MLA disqualification case. The faction has objected to a meeting between Assembly Speaker Rahul Narwekar and Chief Minister Eknath Shinde, just days before the anticipated verdict on January 10, which is to be given by the Maharashtra Assembly Speaker on the pending disqualification petitions. The clock is ticking, and the verdict is set to be announced at 4 p.m. on January 10. Details reveal that Speaker Rahul Narwekar and Chief Minister Eknath Shinde had a rendezvous on January 7 at Shinde's residence. Shiv Sena UBT leader Sunil Prabhu, in a written application, expressed alarm, stating, "We received alarming news that the Speaker, Maharashtra Legislative Assembly, had a meeting with Chief Minister Eknath Shinde at his official residence." The application, filed as part of a writ petition seeking expeditious disposal of disqualification petitions against the Shinde faction, emphasizes the impropriety of such a meeting. Prabhu contends that the meeting undermines the impartiality required of the Speaker, especially when deciding on the disqualification petition. Quoting the popular legal maxim, the application highlights that justice should not only be done but should also be seen to be done. The faction insists that this act by the Speaker questions the fairness and impartiality in the decision-making process. All eyes are on January 10, the day when Maharashtra Speaker Rahul Narwekar is expected to deliver the crucial verdict on the disqualification petitions against Chief Minister Eknath Shinde and other MLAs involved in the Shiv Sena split back in June 2022. The Supreme Court had set the original deadline for the verdict on December 31, 2023. However, a 10-day extension was granted, moving the decision date to January 10 on request of the Speaker. The background of this case dates back to June 2022 when Eknath Shinde and several MLAs rebelled against then Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray, leading to a split in the Shiv Sena which completely turned the political tides in the state of Maharashtra. Cross petitions were filed by both Shinde and Thackeray factions, each seeking action against the other under anti-defection laws. Functionaries from both factions have made it clear that they will approach the Supreme Court if the Speaker's verdict doesn't align with their expectations. Post the rebellion, Eknath Shinde went on to become the Chief Minister with the support of the BJP. The Election Commission intervened, giving the name Shiv Sena and the bow and arrow symbol to the Shinde-led faction, while Uddhav Thackeray's faction became Shiv Sena UBT with a flaming torch as its symbol. As the political drama unfolds, stay tuned for further updates on this critical chapter in Maharashtra politics and the crucial verdict by the Maharashtra Speaker on January 10th.
We have with us Maharashtra's Legislative Assembly Speaker Rahul Narwekar. Sir, would like to know that tomorrow will be the historic verdict of Shiv Sena's MLA's disqualification case, and Uddhav camp has already filed an application against you, imposing some very serious allegations. What do you have to say about it?
The allegations are not serious at all in nature. These allegations are being leveled only to influence the decision-making process. There is no merit in these. There is no merit in these allegations whatsoever. I would have expected a former Chief Minister to know what are the responsibilities and duties of a speaker. Just because he is adjudicating an issue pertaining to disqualification of members, that does not mean that he is seized from or he should not meet the Chief Minister with regards to other responsibilities devoted to the office of the Speaker. Please understand, as the Speaker of the State Assembly, I am the head of the board of the state legislature. The Chief Minister is also part of the board of the state legislature, which takes important decisions with regards to various issues of the state legislature. There are issues pertaining to contracted employees of the state legislature, the permanent appointments which have to be done immediately. There are issues pertaining to my constituency, which have been pending for quite some time. I had sought the Honorable Chief Minister's time for discussing various issues for the 3rd of January. However, on the 3rd of January, I contracted influenza and therefore I could not meet the Honorable Chief Minister, and I had requested to postpone this meeting. And after I recovered, I called upon him to discuss various issues, including the Narman Point Cuff Parade connector in my constituency, the CC road work in South Mumbai at 8 locations, which is absolutely crucial. I had to discuss the issue of the state legislature board concerning appointments to be done in the state legislature. So, there were various issues which had to be discussed. And in this last 1 year, have I not met the Chief Minister on several occasions? Have I not met members of the Shiv Sena who are facing disqualification petitions? I have met Mr. Sunil Prabhu, I have met Mr. Ajay Chaudhary, who visited my chamber several times, had discussions with me several times. That does not reflect nothing.
Click on the link in the description to read more about the story. Don't forget to share the video and subscribe to Law Today for more updates about what is happening in courts across the country.